Hi, I'm JB.
And I'm Jody, and we love helping nice folks like yourself with the most important and possibly the largest purchase transaction of your lifetime.
With interest rates this low, we think everyone should own a home. You may have heard in the news that it's difficult to obtain a loan with short sales, foreclosures, bankruptcies, and credit issues, and you may be asking yourself, where do I start?
Well, that's why it's important to choose an experienced and caring team of loan officers that guide you through the process from start to finish and make it as stress-free as possible.
Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, refinancing, purchasing a second home, or investment home, we have a program tailored just for you.
Yes, we do. We offer conventional financing, FHA, VA, home again, and yes, we even offer jumbo financing.
If you call our team hotline at 480-305-1980 at Nova Home Loans, you'll speak directly with Jody or myself. We look forward to hearing from you and becoming your trusted mortgage lender. Thank you.